Morning everyone. Today we are doing a quick clean down of this property just here. It's up on the market. So there's a wall, 2 concrete pads, and I think we're just going to add on the walkway, just get that done because I don't really want to stop halfway through. So we'll just do a quick walkthrough. So this is one of the sides of the driveway. It's a little hard to see because it's looking a bit white because of the frost. There's a lot of lichen. It's a bit of a mess. And I don't know who this little guy is, but he's fussy as hell, aren't you? Hey. Oh, that was a nice little head bop, wasn't it? Cutie. He's already been in my van a few times. Such a little sweetie. Anyway, right, back to this. This was the initial bit I got called about, was the wall. So this is efflorescence on here. But then there's also these this cat's attacking me for head bops. All this white lichen as well, which we'll be able to remove. It's very crumbly. So it's going to be really awkward to deal with, but I'm sure it'll come up a hell of a lot better than what it looks like now. I'm set up just over in the corner here, and then we have this side as well. So we're going to get all this nice and clean, get rid of all this lichen. There's a bit of cement staining on here as well. Should be able to get rid of a lot of that, to be fair. Comes round on the front, I don't know why you can see in the sun. And then we're going to go all the way down here where our little mate is, and just clean this section up to this gate just here. So yeah, let's get started. So we've finally got the tank core filled up. The water pressure's really low here. I'm going to start with this wall first, see how much we can get off. I'm going to go with the wide fan tip, just because it's so brittle in places. I don't really want to damage it. Yeah, it's bloody freezing today. I think it's like 1 degree, I think. Had a hard frost overnight, so I've had the morning trying to defrost all my equipment. So yeah, this could be fun. Let's get going. That is the first preliminary clean done. We can see how bad the wall actually is. Let's have a little look. But yeah, there's just a few little bits of like black lichen in places, but what a difference compared. So if you check this side out, compared with how it still looks on this side, look at all the green and the lichen. It's disgusting. So yeah, we'll get the inside of that done next. I'm not going to do it on camera because there's no real need. Well, here you go, you can see the difference between how the top looks, and that's the actual colour on the inside, because I haven't had a chance to do that bit yet. Same with just here, a little bit better on the top. Still a lot of black lichen, but that's going to come off with the chemical. But then it's really dirty and horrible down here. So yeah, I'm going to do that bit off camera, and then we'll crack on with the driveway and the paths.
Me wind
So this is the issue we're having. Keep running out of water. The water pressure is super low here. So I can get, like, I've just done the driveway and this down here, but then I have to stop and wait for the bin to fill. Come on, I'll show you. So this, for people that don't know, this is a bin kit. I use it because I do a lot of terrace houses and stuff like that where you can't leave the van on the front and run from the van. So the cam lock's just down here, and obviously that is my feed hose that goes into my machine. Comes in at the bottom here with the little Y filter at the bottom. And this is the return. So the return actually keeps the pump cool. So it keeps water flowing through the pump to keep it nice and cool. And obviously when you go off the trigger, there's not too much pressure. There's my mate again, that little cat. Oh God, be careful. Jesus. Whew. I don't know why I filmed that, because, yeah, anyway, so here's the return. So inside the bin kit, I actually got this from a company called Rutland Pumps. So this is a float valve. When it's full, turns off. When it's not, carries on. Right down the bottom, that little blue boy down there, that is a filter, and this is the return. I probably should have put it higher, to be honest, put the filter lower, but you know, what are you going to do? And then, it actually fits just here on a hose lock connection. And that's literally it. That's all it is. Super simple, but really handy for stuff like this. So I'll just give you a quick run through for where we've got to. So wall has been done front and back. Driveway is covered in crap still, but obviously it's a hell of a lot cleaner. I think you'll probably be able to see just over here where I've stopped. So that's the original colour, and this is the colour that we've got now. So I've just got this section to do, all down here. Wipe those windows down again because they're horrible. And then just got this little section of driveway to do. Hey buddy. Hi. Hey. That's a cute one. Can you see that alright, Bill? Oh my God. Look at my face. Wow. Right, so far we've cleaned everything off. We've cleaned the wall at the front, cut all the edges in, gone over with the flat surface cleaner, rinsed everything down. So now I've just gone over and spot checked a few little areas where I know there's going to be some real bad organics. Like here, you can just see them bubbling away with the sodium hypochlorite, cleaning them off. So I've just spot checked a few worst bits, and now we're just waiting for the bin to fill again, because obviously the water pressure is super low, and then we're going to go over and cover the whole area. Okay, so that is this job all complete. Walls come out really nice. The two driveway sections plus the path come out lovely. A few little niggly bits here and there that I'm not 100% happy with, but it's a damn sight better than what it was. So I'll just do you a quick walkthrough. Okay, so this is the wall now. I can't remember what side I filmed it from, but you can have a little look. I mean, it's obvious, it needs redoing. Just having a chat with the customer earlier, I think they're going to take it down 2 courses, because this may have had a little bump here. Take it down 2 courses, and then that gets rid of all these bricks that are already buggered, and then just pop these back on top, because these are all in okay condition. Say this one is cracked, but I mean, look how clean they are now. All the black lichen's gone from the bottom. Looks a hell of a lot better. I mean, this is just a quick, simple clean, just so the customer can give the house a little bit of curb appeal. This path was really bad. That's come up lovely. A hell of a lot better than it was. Let's go back through this way. I even cleaned. This is annoying. This came off my bloody boot. We'll just, you can't see it. There we go, perfect. The mat's come on nice as well. Give it a quick blast over. Oh, there's another one off my boot. Okay, there you go, it's gone. You didn't see it. Oh, damn it, Emily. Oh well, there you go, nothing. Nobody saw anything. Yeah, it's come up really nice. Really happy with it. Okay, so that's this job all finished. Really appreciate you guys watching if you made it this far. If you liked it, remember to hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button, but let me know why in the comments so I can be better for the next one. Yeah, thanks for all the support, and I'll see you again. Cheers.